Hi guys, today I'm very excited because I just received this OGERY Tabletop Firepit with the stand, which I think it's really nice. So I'm gonna take it out of the box. It comes very well protected with foam now. Put this here. It comes with the user manual. Very important, you need to read it because something can happen. Has this stand of wood, which I think it looks nice. Right here. Okay, it comes with this travel bag, which is nice. Okay. This. Okay, so this is the base, and you put it like this. Okay. You can start the fire in here with pellets or even pieces of wood, which is I'm going to use. So let's start a fire. Okay, so we are outside now, and I have this thing full of paper, so I'll just drop it in there and drop some pieces of wood. Just like that. We fill it like that with some piece of wood, and we turn it on.